Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I'll be showing you how I'm making this yellow gold Ceylon Sapphire engagement ring. I begin by melting bits of 14K yellow gold. I am pouring metal down into narrow square channel to reduce the amount of work needed to roll the metal to desired dimensions. I am rolling the metal to thin metal bar, annealing it few times throughout the process. Once I get the metal to desired shape, I cut out the amount needed to create prongs, then proceed to drawing the wire. I want the wire to be thick enough to secure the stone in place, yet not too thick to obstruct the look of the stone. With the rest of the metal I previously cut, I am creating the seat for the stone. I am soldering it and then making it to cone shape with the help of a collet block. I am marking out spots for each of 4 prongs that I'm going to make. I am cutting 4 equal pieces of wire and solder them onto the seat I previously made. I am bending the bottom of each prong towards the center so they meet each other. I am soldering a support beam onto the setting that I've just made. I melt more gold and proceed to making the shank. I am rolling the bar down to desired dimensions, cut a piece out and bend it with a ring bender. I am measuring the amount of gold I need to create a bridge, which will close the shank and cut it out. I am tapering the ends of the piece that I've made. I am creating grooves in the shank, which will help me to fit the bridge in, which will close the shank. I am soldering it all together, file the surplus down and remove the tool marks with a sandpaper. I am drilling through the center of the bridge and then insert the setting into the hole that I've just made. I am soldering the setting onto the ring. I am cutting out the seat for the stone with a ball burr and then notch the prongs with a hard burr so they can overlap the griddle of the stone. I am polishing the inside of the setting and then set the stone. I am finished polishing the ring and cleaning it in ultrasonic cleaner. bright yellow gold fits this sapphire extremely well. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.